if you're around friends that pray,
Yeah.
if you're around family that pray, that has a big effect on you.
Absolutely. That's
Peer
true.
pressure plays a big role in
Absolutely.
this. We all go through ups and downs in Iman. Sometimes
Yeah,
you
absolutely.
feel extra motivated, sometimes you have extra Iman, and then there are times where your Iman drops down low. It's not a condition that you have to be in that high motivation Iman phase for you to pray.
No.
The prayer is still there, you still have to pray. So even if you go through these periods where you feel lazy, you feel down, you feel like you're not getting that same ladha, that same
Absolutely.
taste and feeling from Salah, you still pray.
Absolutely.
You still continue with your prayer. And I think another thing that really affects this is who you're around. If you're around friends that pray,
Yeah.
if you're around family that pray, that has a big effect on you.
Absolutely. That's
Peer
true.
pressure plays a big role in
Absolutely.
this. When you make wudu, actually not drying yourself and keeping that water that you use on your body is a sunnah as well.
Absolutely.
So I also try to incorporate that whenever I can for the extra ajr. And during the prayer itself, I think one of the major things that can increase your khushu' is actually contemplating and understanding the ayahs that you are reading or that the imam is reading.
Yes.
Because when you understand what is being said and you kind of really focus and contemplate on it, and the words of Allah are great and they have unlimited wisdom.
Big impact.
Exactly. So when you focus on that, I feel like that can and that will increase your khushu'.